Hello everyone, this is Alex from TechLiner, and today I will talk about portrait photography. Most of the photographers prefer to use the 85mm lenses for portraits, and I'm here today to offer you something will change your mind. The Sigma 105 f1.4 art lens, released 3 years ago, has been proving itself as the king of portrait. It comes in a classic black and white box that has the lens itself with the lens hood, inside a waterproof soft case. 2 straps, one for the case and the other one for the lens, manuals and warranty. In addition, it comes with a tripod collar and protective rubber. This is a Sigma art lens, so it has a premium design made from hard plastic. In the middle, there is an ultra smooth manual focus ring with a distance indicator. Next to it to the right side, you will find the art logo followed by autofocus switch. Sadly, there's no customizable button on the lens like some other lenses around. Moving to the front, we will see a huge glass with 105mm uncommon filter thread. But a good advantage that this lens has a weather sealing on the back, so you'll be okay to use it in a light rain or a dusty environment. Also, one thing to keep in mind, that this lens is extremely heavy. It weighs 3.6 pounds. So basically, it's heavier than the 55mm Zeiss, 20mm G, and the kit lens combined. So be ready for some good exercise. And it's not the most comfortable lens to strap around your neck, since it's a front heavy lens, so you should use a tripod collar included in the box to mount this lens on a tripod. And now let's move to the most important part, the image quality. The bokeh on this lens is something from another level. Look at the background compression in these photos. It's something you can only achieve using the 105mm. It feels like the bokeh is telling you the story of what's in the background in a dreamy way. And it's not different when it comes to low light performance. This thing is a beast. I did notice that the bokeh light effect are not circular. Something to consider, but I don't think it's a big deal. When it comes to sharpness, like any other Sigma lens, it's razor sharp. At f1.4, you can see that the results meet the expectation of a Sigma lens. Even the color on this lens is just eye-catching. At f11, this lens is just mind-blowing. Look how sharp the eyes are. So if you're planning to use it in a studio, this lens won't let you down. Now I will leave you with some edited samples to represent the real-life situations, using the Sony A7 II and the Sigma 105 f1.4. The autofocus on this lens is super fast, even on my Sony A7 II, which has the reputation of a horrible autofocus. And you can mark my word on that. So you have nothing to worry about when it comes to performance. This lens is a monster. So now let's do a flashback and see the pros and the cons of this lens. Starting with the pros, it's razor sharp, it has fast autofocus, and the depth of field is magical. It makes you look like a pro when you get hired from a client. I know it sounds silly, but trust me, people will like to see this huge lens when they pay a lot of money for a photo shoot. Now let's move to the cons. This lens is so heavy compared to any other portrait lenses, and it has the uncommon 105mm filter thread. And it's so pricey. It retails at $2,000. Now, do I recommend you to buy this lens? The answer is easy. Go to the link in the description and check my photography Instagram. And you will see that most of the photos are taken by this lens. I just love it. It's from another level. I had it from 3 years and it's still my favorite lens so far. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and let me know in the comment section if you like to see more camera gear reviews. And thank you for watching.